my name is Billy.
I'm Sierra, and this is our dog Jetty.
We usually live and travel on a boat, a few different boats in fact.
But now we are driving across the country as our new boat is being built.
Join us on this all-new Terra Tula adventure
as we drive, bike, hike, paddle, and sail across the good old USA.
Don't forget to subscribe. Good morning, you guys. So we're back in Yellowstone National Park, and we're doing a nice little hike, kind of off the beaten path. Took a dirt road a few miles and got to this trailhead here. And we just started hiking up this hill, and some girl was coming back down, and she said, "Hey, just a heads up, there's a bear like up around the corner off the trail a bit, just to make you guys aware." So she said it was pretty small. So just give us a heads up. We're gonna keep a lookout, not get too close, and if it's too close to the trail, we'll just turn around. That's so cool. There's just a park ranger. He said they've been seeing them, some bears around here, small ones, but he hasn't seen one. He thought he saw one, but he wasn't sure. Kind of made us think that we'll see one if we keep a lookout, right? So we reached our first turnaround point. This is the first meadow.
But we're not wimps, so we're gonna keep going. We've gotten 2 miles so far. So
Go a little bit further. Yeah, see what's up ahead. Beautiful out here. You can see that? Well, no bears yet. Just taking a quick break at the water over here. Checking out the view behind us. We're probably around halfway, right?
We are definitely almost halfway. Okay, we made it 6 miles and it is...
3 miles.
Oh yeah, we're doing a total of 6 miles. Made it 3 miles.
3 miles out, 3 miles in.
Spin, let's show them. You're not spinning.
Alright. Head back. I'm right there. These things are just right here and they just start walking away as I walk by. Look at the big one over there. What are you guys doing? 6.2 miles.
Took us 2 hours and 18 minutes.
No bears, unfortunately.
No, but
So
they probably saw us.
Beautiful hike.
Yeah, so glad we did it. There was like nobody there. It was in the wilderness. Just what we were looking for.
She hears us.
Hey, puppy.
We're back! We are back! Did you miss us? Did any bears come by? Did any bears come by?
Hey, you okay? Come here. Sit. Sit. Oh, good girl.
We missed ya. Sorry you couldn't come.
Hey, you're such a good girl.
That guy was just cruising. We've seen the pronghorn deer from a distance. We saw a snake today. We saw a white-tailed deer. We saw our bison friend.
Some cool birds.
Yep. Some
Bunch
hawks.
of chipmunks and squirrels.
Yep. Good day for wildlife. We're just cruising our way back. I think we're just gonna do a quick walk around the hot springs, then call it a day for the national park.
Yeah.
Okay, our last touristy thing in Yellowstone Park, we figured we couldn't leave without seeing the hot springs. So that's what we're gonna do. It's really crowded, but we'll just walk really fast, check it out, and then be on our merry way.
It's not really warm. It's not freezing though.
Look at over there.
Alright, time to get dinner?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Such a cool spot. So last night we were up on the hill up here, and now we found this spot over here on this lower hill, but still overlooking the same area. The whole town Gardner down there. Give you guys a little tour around this one. There's something up with it, but besides that, it's cool. I'll show you.
Are you showing them death?
Yeah.
Don't show them death.
Look at this view, you guys. GoPro. So we got some van life neighbors over here. You can even see the river down there. That's cool. And here's the whole town Gardner. That's that arch right there. Can you guys see it? Is the very original entrance to Yellowstone National Park. And now that's the main entrance over there to Yellowstone, which goes all back there. And we're over here in the National Forest. Now here's what's weird about this place. There's some dead animals around here and bones. There's that. There's like a carcass over there, and there's like bones scattered all around here. Just try not to pay attention to that. I think it's just a hunting area when it's hunting season. So I think that way it seems like you're allowed to hunt, and people probably camp down here and clean the carcass or something. I'm not sure. But anyway, try not to think about it too much. What are we doing?
So I'm actually going out of town tomorrow. I'm flying out of Montana in Bozeman, and I'm going to go home. My grandfather passed away, so I'm going to go to his service. And it happens that my best friend's bachelorette party is actually the same week, so it kind of all worked out that I'm going to fly home once. And while I fly home, Billy's going to drive to Oregon. So we're going to miss a lot more of Montana than we hoped because of this trip, but it's totally fine. We've seen so much so far. I'm gonna miss you, but tonight, in honor of me leaving, we're gonna go on a date. We're gonna ride bikes all the way down the hill because we need a little bit of workout, and we're gonna go get tacos. So yeah.
You ready for a bike ride, Jetty girl?
That's what's up. Like we mentioned yesterday, Jetty's been getting the short end of the stick while we're in the national park, so that's why we figured today we would bike to get dinner so she can get some really good exercise as we go down there. It's so much easier to take the land minis because then we don't have to worry about like storing everything in the truck since we like have camp set up, and we don't have to worry about losing our spot. So that's why the bikes, aka land minis, are super nice to have, and we get exercise.
Here she comes. And this road is super bumpy. It's actually a pain to drive on. You gotta go slow. It's so bumpy. Look at this. It's a osprey or hawk or something. We brought Jetty's backpack, so we'll throw her in there as soon as she gets a little bit tired. It's only maybe a mile or two down, but it's down and uphill, so she'll put her in, especially on the way up. It's a little bumpy. Big Good girl, Jets. We're at a little more of a main road now. We got a little ways to go. Should I throw in their backpacks? Alright. Wanna go in the backpack, J. Girl? You ran so good. This your paw? You pull her paw out.
That was silly.
Good girl. She look comfortable?
Yep. I take hills very slow.
Good girl.
It definitely was only a workout going down for Jetty, but it will definitely be a really hard workout going up. That entire way was downhill, but I'm cold now, so it'll probably warm us up, right?
All right, let's climb back up that hill. You right?
One thing I totally suggest doing if you're like off the beaten path camping and then are going to leave and come back in the nighttime is leaving a pin, dropping a pin on your phone so you know where to go back to. And we left a little light on, so hopefully it would make it a little bit easier. So yeah, here we go. We got a traffic jam. Not even halfway, but it is a workout, and it looks like it's about to pour. Are you gonna try to make her pull you up?
Well, I got halfway up with Jetty on my back, but it's time for her to get some exercise again. I'm not tired or anything. Mush. Do you know mush yet, Jetty?
Sled dog?
We're gonna learn. Yeah, we're getting into sled dog territory. Oh. You ready?
I'll be right behind. The road's too bumpy to hold still. There's our light. Ooh, jeez. Come on, wasn't that light a good idea?
Yeah, that's great.
And we made it right before it's about to downpour. You did a good job. How was that? You did good going uphill.
Good girl, that was so good. That was so good.